For my semester project, I chose to focus heavily on crabs, to focus on their biology, crab fishing, and I even ended up dissecting one. The first step was to broaden my knowledge of crabs, or decapod crustaceans. To do this, I researched their biology and life cycles, but I had to go in depth, so I chose to visit the aquarium of the bay. While at the aquarium, I saw many interesting creatures, including minnows and jellyfish. At the aquarium, I encountered two Dungeness crabs, aged 9 years old, quite old for crabs. As you can see, they weren't the most active bunch, but it still gave me the opportunity to see live crabs. Dungeness crabs, renowned for their sweet flavor, are found exclusively on the West Coast. They were also named by the Oregon State Legislature as a state crustacean in 2009. Additionally, they were named after Dungeness, Washington, because of the high concentration of Dungeness crabs. Next, I had to decide which crab to dissect. I chose the Chesapeake blue crab due to its fairly simple anatomy. This part is called the carapace. It is the shell covering the body, and it provides rigidity and protective covering. It is made of chitin and is the part of the exoskeleton that covers the head and the thorax of the crab. This part is called the cheliped. It is one of the two appendages that carries the large claw, which is utilized for self-protection as well as for obtaining food. Male claws are typically blue, topped with red, while females are entirely red. Much like a human's, a crab's mouth is an opening to the digestive system. It is located between the antennae. The mouth contains jaws, which push food through the esophagus. This right here is the body meat. Body meat typically has a more toned down, salty, sweet flavor when compared to claw meat. Yearly catch of blue crab range from 7 to 12 million pounds a year. The nervous system of a crab differs from that of vertebrates, and it has both a dorsal ganglion and a ventral ganglion. In layman's terms, that means that it has two brains essentially. The ventral ganglion is the larger of the two. This right here is the ventral ganglion. To finally finish my project, I cooked a crab for my mom and dad.